Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share this low profile ceiling fan from Suesen. So low profile really is the best word for this fan. I live in an area where it can get hot all year round, and having a fan like this that really pushes the air down and keeps the air moving throughout the room is just so ideal. And it does this without taking up barely any space, and it is silent. I love that it comes with a remote, so I can just adjust the lights or the fan from anywhere in the room. You can even adjust the fan speed according to your needs, and it also has 3 light temperatures to adjust from. The installation itself was very simple, and we were able to do it within a few hours. If you are looking for a fan for a small area, I really recommend this one from Suesen. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.